So I'm Dr. Rhiannon Smith from the University of New England, and I'm the lead researcher on this cotton land care project, which is looking at using the technology such as drones and direct seeding and tube stock planting for revegetation on cotton farms. We've had the drones down around the Murrumbidgee Valley, and we're now up here in the Nemoy Valley in northern New South Wales. The project is looking at how we can cost effectively put revegetation onto cotton farms for a variety of different functions, be it biodiversity conservation, providing habitat for natural pest control agents, controlling erosion and also carbon sequestration. So these ecosystem services that growers get from native revegetation and native remnant vegetation on cotton farms help to improve our production systems and make agriculture more sustainable.
Auscot took part in a tree planting program in 2009 with the Nemoy Catchment Authority. It was done to rehabilitate the Gladra Creek along our boundary and help with water movement, soil erosion and biodiversity. We have used some drone technology, just trialling plant mapping during the growing season of the cotton over the last couple of years. But this will be the first time we've used drones for an application such as this. So what we saw here today was 2 drones broadcasting native plant seeds here in the Gladra Creek. As you can see, the creek's quite inaccessible, so it's been really good to see these drones be able to get across country that we wouldn't be able to do otherwise.
Drones allow us to reach much larger areas than you can using traditional methods. And also to understand complex environments at a much lower cost. Before the drone operations start, the species are selected to be appropriate for the environment, and in this case it's restoring an endangered ecological community. And then you also look at bulking agents. Now these can help get a really good flow rate, so that's then calibrated into the drone so it knows exactly how many kilograms to put out within an area. The current capacity of our drones is up to 100 hectares a day, and this enables much larger scale restoration. This site would have taken a week for hand planting with tube stock. It's only taking 2 hours to seed with a drone. So where you've got areas of land that are allocated for biodiversity restoration, you're then able to achieve those targets in much shorter time periods. On this site here, just 2 months ago, this was flooded. So getting ground-based tractors, quad bikes, even people on here would be quite a challenge. It's also an endangered ecological community that we're restoring here. And so we're wanting to have minimal ground disturbance. The benefit of having a drone is that you're getting up above the land, and so you can access it right when you need it, and that's for this site is when it is actually partially flooded, but also to reduce that ground disturbance that can cause issues.